got me lose control. Woman, till my you're the one. Sigaye sanawe, gupfa nabi, nukubaho ntagufite, ndagufana, wowe nshuti mfana, and you know I never lie. Oh no 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 no, hoya hoya ndakakungwara, ndakakungwara, sishaka no kubitekereza, kubana kura, baby you're my life, wewe baraka yangu, icyiza byose nabiboneye muri wowe, amarira yasobanura urukundo ngukunda, sinazigera mbona.
So welcome to my Rwandan playlist. Yeah, so it's been long overdue. I've been always wanting to do one, like a Rwandan playlist, like my Rwandan playlist, but I never kind of got around to do it. So today we're going to jump to some of my Rwandan favorite tracks, and we're going to rate each one from 1 to 10. 10 being so hot, fresh off the press. No, actually, it doesn't. Let's take that back. It doesn't have to be fresh off the press, but it's a hot jam. Like, we can vibe with this. 0 being, yo, like, at what great grandma's party did you find this song at? So that's how we're going to rate them. So that was number 1, the Ben Habibi. Habibi will always have a special spot, no matter how old Habibi gets. Habibi is Habibi, you know. So we're gonna go through some of the songs. You might know some, you might not know some, so it depends. Let's see what comes out. Oops, sorry. Kwamukunda bingana no ashmingo tuzichaka hobi bilinzi bingani sichaka susizini nusozi watu lekana ndebeze kuje sometime no pero sanga baby 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 kuwa I say you got to my I'm not just gonna skip through the songs. Basically, I'm just gonna go a little introduction or outro. So that was Kona Shize from Knowles Butera. So let's go into some give me more, give me more. Meeting I got to get, she don't want to get. Meeting I got to get, she don't want to get. This is that. Wait, hold on. We're not ready for this jam just yet. Like, basically, I'm piecing together the list right now. I'm not gonna lie, guys. So, like, spontaneous, you know. And so I must have clicked on it instead of adding it to the lovely list. So that was Agate by Charlie and Nina. So let's play the next one. If I've got Syntex's song on here, but I need to find it. Hopefully I have. Hopefully I have Syntex. And I have. This is the one that I like. Found it!
You get them by the sound of the king, you wailing up my crown. Yeah. If you're in a minera, if you're in a minera, mama Claudina, wakusinya makasikara jiranze. Mama Ivona nawe mukuru, sharia jira bamuturanyi. Afata sumu yapanya n'umuriza nyama. Mama Claudina n'abantu barifaisari, yashigiza yagombaga kukimenyera. Urakimenyera burya nawe ukwinjirira. Ona ye, ibyanira mimenyera. Ona kimenyera. Ibyanira mimenyera. Ibyanira mimenyera. Ibyanira mimenyera. Erega buryo babona mu makote, mu mufuka na buceri, abantu kababona mu madarubiri.
So that was Syntex Nabyimenyera. So yeah. So from 0 to 10, guys, score it down below. It just makes me gonna dance, like, you know, like all the smiley faces, and you just make with elegance. So yeah, so that is Twagfagiki by Clarissa Karazira. So from 0 to 10, rate it. And then we'll go to a little bit more active, you know. I'm just like taking you through my brain. Oh my gosh, is this song? Yeah. Oh, when I first heard it, I was like, oh my head, my heart. Sorry guys, I get so excited about music and stuff. Here we go. Oh no, I need to rewind. The beat didn't drop properly.
Hey, beats on the beat.
Injivuga ngo narasaze nukutarakunda ndabizi njye bimbaze nanjye suku narimeze mbere yuko nkunda sinzi uko byaje nawe byakubaho ukuri byakubaho umuntu byakubaho ibizi kuri rwose byakubaho sinumvaga ko nanarira undi zari nawe umuza urankunda maze shiriyeho cyane mama yabagate ninguriraga ubu sinkikoza maze kureba ibye inshuti zanjye zose zihora zibuza ngo amahoro wagiye batazi ku mwana nkunda yantwaye mutima. I love what you love me back. Ukura sikukunda yo. Yeah, mama. Injivuga ngona rasaze. Nukutara kunda. Ndabizi njusa bimbaze. Nanje sukuna rimeze. Where you come down. Sinzuko byaje. Nawe byakubaho. Byakubaho. Ukuri byakubaho. Urundu byakubaho. Izukuri rwose byakubaho. Urundu benshi barabyumva bakanenga iby'urukundo ari amacenga bakavuga ngo ni kubeshya siko mbibona narakunze ndacyurama ariko sinigeze nicuza kuko urukundo ari urwa mbere ubuki burarura iyo mfite ugukunda akakugusha neza ibyo uvuga ngo narasaze nuko utarakunda ndabizi ibyo usaba imbaze nanjye si uko nari meze mbere yuko nkunda sinzi uko byaje nawe byakubaho byakubaho ukuri byakubaho urundu byakubaho izukuri rwose byakubaho byakubaho ukuri byakubaho urundu byakubaho izukuri rwose byakubaho yeah mama.
I'm telling you, hold on. This song, yeah. This song. Hey. Man, this song, I swear down, like for me, like I don't know, music just does something with the soul. I've always said it. Music is the language of the soul. This song, as soon as the song, like, I can't remember when I heard it, but I heard it and it just hit me. Pew! Like, it pierced my soul directly. I was like, yeah. I felt it, the beat, the composition, the flow, everything is on point. This one we can rate together. If it's 0 to 10, we have to do 0 to 150. Like, this one is up there, it's 150, like for real. This song, I don't know, maybe we've got a clear winner of all the songs. Maybe we have. See, the song made me drop the phone. So you see how powerful the song is? So this song was by Amelon Byakubaho. I even had it, actually, I featured it on my radio show like a couple of months back, like before this whole lockdown thing. And everyone loved it. Everyone was vibing to it. I'm telling you guys, like, this song speaks to the soul. Like, nah, I slightly want to play it again, but okay, let's get through this video and then I'll do my own little vibe session.